Hi, welcome back to yet another video. My name is Neha, and in case you're new here, this channel is all about fashion, styling, clothing, makeup, and that kind of stuff. So, in case it interests you, please subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on and do watch this video. So, I have done a series before this, which is wedding guest series. So, please go ahead and check that out. And from today onwards, I'm going to be doing, in fact, this is the second video of my everyday look that I'm styling. So for today's video, I have this particular top. Okay, it's a sheer fabric, but of course we're gonna layer it with something with it. And these are the sleeves. It's got whole lot of ruffles, and it's got this floral print. So it's very pretty, very dainty. So that's the top, and it's got this tie up at the front. So that's the top, which I'm pairing with these pants. It's a black straight fit pants. And in the previous video also I had styled another top with this pant, so I'm continuing with this because these look which I'm pairing just now is for every day. And in fact, you can even try this at office, in case if your office is not very particular about explicit formals, and you can try some things out here and there. So you can definitely wear this in office as well. So which is why I'm keeping this like a formal, like a semi-formal look with these trousers. So here I am with this outfit on. Those are the pants, and that's the top. Those are the ruffles. So yeah, that's to do with the top. And now let's accessorize this look. So for the accessories, I have planned on wearing these earrings. That's how it looks. So those are the earrings. Um, Along with that, I'm pairing this bracelet. I'm pairing this watch just because it just goes with the entire look. That's the watch. I have this ring which I'm pairing with this look. I'm keeping it minimal, like I said. This is for like an everyday office look, or probably if you're going out with friends and just running errands every day. So this is that kind of look. So I'm not going too much with the accessories. I'm not sure if there is room for a necklace because this is already high neck, and it's got this tie up thing at the top. But I do have one necklace that I have shortlisted. Let me see if it works. So this is the necklace. It's like dual ring kind of thing. I'm not sure if this is needed. That's how it's gonna look. Okay. I think it will look good if I do it up high. So that's how the necklace is looking. I think it looks pretty good. The two, these are like just big diamonds too, and the chain is pretty dainty. So that's to do with the look. My hair I'm keeping the same. I'm just keeping it open with side parting, and that's the usual casual look that I carry. So that's how I'm gonna be keeping it. And yeah, with that, this look is complete. The accessories are on, and yeah, I'm ready to go. So in case if you like this look, please comment down below. This is the entire look. That's how it's turned out. Probably I can climb up to show y'all. here, and therefore I'm wearing like an inner inside. But yeah, that's how it looks.
Where the shadows play.
So in case if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications on, and comment down below, like I said earlier, what did you like. And I shall see you in the next video. There are more such get ready with me videos, with the everyday look coming up. So please do subscribe and turn the notifications on, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.